Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, 6th class students. I am your computer teacher and I hope you all will be fine with the grace of Allah. Students, today we are going to start reading about the unit number 1, MS Word 2013. So let's open your computer books and open page number 8. As you all know that in our previous lecture we have learned that how can we insert a table in our document and how can we enter data in the table. So today we are going to learn about modifying tables. Let's start reading. You can perform the following task to change the layout of the table after you have inserted it in your document. It means कि जब आप एक दफ़ा अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर टेबल इंसर्ट कर लेते हैं देन आप इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए या इन ऑपरेशंस को परफॉर्म करते हुए अपने टेबल के लेआउट में चेंजिंग्स ला सकते हैं. Number 1, you can add a new row in your table. You can add a new column. You can delete a row or a column. Splitting cells, merging cells, and resizing column width and rows height. Right? So the first one thing that we are going to learn about is adding a new row in the table. Move to the page number 9. Here are the steps mentioned to add a new row in the table. You can add a new row to put additional information in the table. यानी अगर आपने पहले से अपने डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर टेबल इंसर्ट कर लिया है और आप उसके अंदर मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करना चाहते हैं जिसके लिए आपको एक न्यू रो की ज़रूरत है तो आप इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करते हुए अपने टेबल के अंदर एक न्यू रो ऐड कर सकते हैं. Look here in the example. As you can see a table here in the example. Now look at the screen. I have inserted a table similar to the example as you can see. Now we will add a new row in our table, right? Let's suppose we want to insert a row below the row number 3. Then we will place the cursor in row number 3 and will move to the layout tab. From the ribbon and then we will click on layout tab and here from the rows and column option we will choose the option insert below, right? And when we will click on this option you can see the new row gets inserted below the row number 3, right? रो नंबर 3 के नीचे आपकी न्यू रो इंसर्ट हो चुकी है. So here is another shortcut method to insert a new row. If you want to quickly add a new row in your table, you will place the cursor in the last cell of your table and after this you will press the tab key from the keyboard and in this way you will get inserted a new row, right? So the next one thing that we are going to learn about is inserting a new column, right? Or adding a new column in the table. So students, let's suppose we want to insert a column at the left side of house column, right? So we will place the cursor in house column here as you can see. Then then we will click on the layout tab, and after this we will move to the rows and columns option, and we will choose the insert left option. And when you will click on this option, you can see a new column will be inserted at the left of house column, right? In this way you can add a new column in your table. So students, the next one thing that we are going to learn about is how can we delete a row or a column. So the steps to delete a column first are, we will place the cursor in the column that we want to get deleted, and after this step we will move to the layout tab and we'll click on this tab, and after this we will move to the rows and columns group and we'll choose the delete option. And here you can see a drop down menu is appeared on the screen, and now I am going to choose the delete columns option, and here you can see the new blank column gets raised, right? And in same way we will delete our row. As you can see, I have placed the cursor in the extra new row, and now I am going to click on the layout tab, and after is I will select the delete option from the rows and column group, and now I am going to choose the delete rows option from the drop down menu, and here you can see our new row is deleted now. So students, that was our today's lecture, in which we have learned that how can we add a new row in our table, and how can we add a new column in our table, and how can we delete the rows or columns from our table, right? So you have to do the practice of this practical work with MS Word 2013. Thank you so much, and keep enjoying your holidays.